Good morning, y'all. Welcome to another vlog, another video, another chit chat. You know, we're gonna just have a great day. I've been up, being active. I done journaled. I read my word for the day. I vacuumed, folded some clothes, put hella clothes away on my second load of laundry. Like, I'm moving. I haven't made a juice yet because Classic's sleeping and I put him on the couch. So I wasn't trying to be too loud. That's kind of why I'm speaking low right now. I really want to take him to the park because he loves the park. He always goes with his grandparents. And, I feel like I'm definitely slacking when it comes like to the activities. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna look me up a park. I was on TikTok and I got some different options. I'm thinking about going to is the Harvester Park. It's the Harvester Park in Burridge, and that one looks pretty decent if y'all familiar. So I was thinking about going to this park. It's downtown, and that's why I'm going anyway to get my eyebrows done. So I'm like, maybe I'll just go there. What's it called? The Maggie Daily Museum. I'm trying to be, an active, cool mom. So I'm like, let me go ahead and take Poo-Poo to the park. I'm gonna go ahead and start making him something to eat because we gotta be out of here. It's 8:17 right now. Really need to be gone no later than 10. But I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. So y'all, come on. Y'all see him? He tired. I'm scared to wake him up because the way he's sleeping. When he lay like that means he tired. Aww. Okay, y'all, so while he eating, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up some snacks. Got him, what's these? The Trader Joe's apple cereal bar. He love these. This is a peanut butter and jelly snack bar. It's by Scout Organic. He's obsessed with these plum organic Tenzi snacks with puff quinoa. Sometimes he'll eat these, but I don't think I'm gonna bring this since he already got this one. And I'm gonna pack him a few Cheez-Its. So do you want this?
Bye, Ladybug.
So y'all, he didn't eat the apples and pancakes. I swear his mood be fluctuating, y'all. One morning he want it, one minute he don't. So I'm finna get him this. You okay? Y'all, he got that nasty cough. Get it out. You okay?
Yes.
That's why he need all natural stuff right now. Clear him out. So right now he about to have his organic fruit smoothie by Earth's Best.
It's for mouse. This is a maze.
Don't just play with it either.
Starts with
Eat it. You want me to take it?
mouse wants to find some cheese.
And y'all, he drunk all the juice.
What should we follow? The squirrel or the mole?
You like that?
The mole starts with M.
So I'm gonna go ahead and fill up. I got my water filled, but I need to put a little bit more. Y'all, I've been doing so good. Got this off of Amazon. And it got the times on it, like 8 a.m., 9, 3, 10. It go all the way to 7 p.m. So I try to fill this up at least 2 to 3 times a day. I need to put some more. Just make sure she's all the way full. And y'all, I've only been drinking spring water or like alkaline water. I don't know if that's the same. Is alkaline and spring water the same? I'm not sure. And I'll probably bring this for me. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this with me. And so this juice, made this one last night. This is, I think this one, let me taste it, because I don't remember. Hold on. I gotta start labeling it. This is oranges, peaches, and pineapple. So I got that. I'm gonna leave this in the fridge till it's time to dip. You see what you gotta do to prepare to go outside with kids? Baby, I save them apples just in case, you know. We ain't finna waste no food if we ain't got to, you know? Food packed, water packed. He eating right now. Fake eating, because he ain't really eating right now. But I think I'm finna just wash him up real quick and get myself together, and then we gonna head out. So we'll be back. You going to the park today?
No.
Yup. We going to the park. We going to the park. We going to the park. This your song. This your song, huh? Aww. Mwah. Okay, let's go take a shower, okay? Bedtime, bedtime, bedtime. Bedtime, 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 bedtime. Slow down, pumpkin. Slow down. You okay? Let me see. You hurt your hand? Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, good. You ready?
Yeah, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G,
Uh-huh.
H, I, J, K, L,
Elemental.
M,
Keep going. Where you going? Come on, boy, let's go. Okay? We on a time schedule. Okay? You tired?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, come on, for real. Woo! Kick. Whoa. Whoa. Whee! Pick it up. There you go. What happened? You okay? Classic, where are you? Hey. There he is. Uh-oh, where's Classic? Where are you? There you are.